If you want to see how I got this simple bun on my thick natural hair, then keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cree, also known as Creative91, and today I'm going to be doing a simple hair bun tutorial. As you can see, my face is all done up. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please click on my other video. So I'm starting this look off on old dirty hair. I pretty much had my hair braided up for about 5 to 6 weeks, and then I took it down, and in order for it to prevent tangling, I put it into a semi-medium twist. And now I'm just starting to take the twist down to unravel the hair so I can do the bun, because if I were to do the bun in the twist, it will be poking out and it won't be as smooth in the ponytail. As you can notice with my hair, I don't really like to comb it too often. I usually just comb it when I first do a style. So if I did a style a month ago, that's probably going to be the last time I comb it until it's time to detangle. So that's why I'm just trying to take my time to take it down. And I'm just going to be pretty much putting it in the bun, but I'm not using any comb. Just at most, I'm going to be using a brush. Okay, so I'm almost done taking down the twist. Just a few more left to go. As you can see, I got a lot of hair. Sometimes it takes a lot of effort to work with it, but it's all good. So I'm starting to gather the hair to put it in the ponytail, but first I did notice that I needed to sleek my edges back, at least just a little bit. So I'm just going to put it in a temporary ponytail again until I sleek my edges back. So the only product that I'll be using for this hair tutorial is the Shine and Jam Edge Control. I think it gives me a pretty good hold. And so I'm just spreading it across the front of my hair and in the back along the edges. And don't forget to pull out the little wispies on the side. By the way, I'm using a soft bristle brush to slick my edges. I don't really use a hard one. I feel like that can cause more breakage. Okay, so now it's time for the bun. So after I pull my hair back into a ponytail, I just start to shape the bun, and usually I would use bobby pins to help hold it in place, but for the sake of time I didn't. And I use the bobby pins for the excess hair that's sticking out. Sometimes you have to play with the bun just to get it how you want it. Now I'm giving the wispies a little more edge control just to make sure it curls up and look cute. And I'm taking the brush just to pull out any little baby hair that I have and swooping it how I want. Nothing too dramatic, just subtle. And we are pretty much done. Wait a minute, except for my earrings. I was wondering why I looked a little plain. And there you have it, a quick go-to bun style. If your hair is old and you just need to refresh it really quick, this is the style to do it. Thank you so much everyone for coming to my YouTube channel. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Bye bye.